Hello friends, welcome back to Error Solution. In this video, I will explain how to create and display event dynamically using Fullcalendar. So we can use the PHP, MySQL and Ajax. So we can say how to create the events and how to display the events. So I have already downloaded one plugin here. Like you can go to fullcalendar.io and inside you can see it here like download Fullcalendar chips. And I will download the one plugin so you can see it. I will show you. So you can see here I download and I already extract and I open background events.html file. So you can see it here showing the events, month, week, day wise showing the menus, and here you can change also month wise, and here you can see like today, so only showing the today records. Okay, so this is the event module, means event layout, like a calendar layout we need to do inside our Fullcalendar. Means this is the I already started my localhost and I already create one folder like a Fullcalendar. I can show you. Let's go to here so you can see it. I use the exams inside htdocs inside Fullcalendar, and I have already create some Excel, means some PHP file, and inside I have already add like a JS file. I already add here, so you can see it like so this JS file you can got it here. Like I open, so already open, so you can see it here inside disk. You can find out two JS file. So these two JS file I have put inside. Let's close one here. So let's open my code windows so you can see it here. JS index.global and index.global.mean, and I am comping inside comping.php inside. Like I have made a database connection. Like here you can see it like my database name Ajax tutorial. Inside I have create like event folders, means even not folder, event tables, and table inside I have like event name, color name, link, start date, end date. So you can see it here. Is a database connection, server name, username, password, database name, and you can see it properly. So what we need to do now, just open your index.php file. So I just creating demo, so my file, main file is the index.php. I can do, means here is the HTML coding and Ajax coding. Function.php inside we can implement here like database connection, and also we can do it here like event list and add event. So how to add event? Suppose you click on this button. So open the one pop-up and you can add like start date, end date, event name, color and links. And after you click submit, click on the submit. So we are storing all the data using the Ajax inside event tables, and automatically you can find out here events. So let's start now. So first of all you need to do, open your code like you download this Fullcalendar. Just open like one example file. I open these files. 1 minute, let's do. Okay, and just copy and put it. Let's zoom out some, and here you can make like JS file, because we have already put, and I already show you where is the put here like JS folder. Inside I have already put two files. Okay, and I can remove the JavaScript code. I don't want to need right now JavaScript code, because first I need to call the Ajax. We need to find out the data. So first of all we need to add like here some plugin like Ajax plugin and Bootstrap plugin, because Bootstrap plugin wise we can open the pop-up. So I added some plugin here. This is the plugin for the Ajax need to call. This is the like date wise we need to work, and Bootstrap min.js is like we need to open the pop-up. So also let's make down this plugin also like a Fullcalendar plugin here. Okay, now we need to make like here the bootstrap.css file, and title also we can put here. Okay, so let's go to back and refresh the page. So you can see it here is not found anything like title change, and also not found anything. So we need to make the Ajax. Once Ajax call, so Ajax wise we can get the data, and after we need to show here Fullcalendar. So let's start now. So just simple, just we need to start here script. So we can call the Ajax script get event. I create one function get event. Okay, inside I will write like Ajax code. So $.Ajax so method is equal to, means type is equal to post. We can make capital post action means URL, because here is a URL. URL is equal to function.php, and we can use a get method type is equal to list, because we need to do like a add, and data type we can use a JSON. Okay, once all the data gets, so we need to make like a success response, data type or typ. Okay, and here we need to make success function inside data, because whatever response gets inside going to success. So now Ajax calling working very well. Let's refresh the page. I open my spec element using F12. I refresh the page, so you can see it is like a calling the function, you see, like a function.php. Now we need to go back again, going to function.php. First we need to call here our database connection. So include comping.php. You can see here we have already created comping.php. Inside we have made a database connection. So we are getting like a type is equal to list. So let's make condition if is not empty, $get type, and type is equal to list. So we can write here event listing code. Okay, so let's make a one query $SQL select start from events. So let's go back and check. So you can see it here, database table name event. So I have made here. So this is the we need to do now, like get the data using the query. Like result means is that I can create a one variable result is equal to $connect. Con means we need to make a database connection. Query, this is the query. Like here you can pass. Okay, now we'll do is a one condition. I think we don't need a condition, just need to use a while query. While $row is equal to $result face association. We need to use it like a MySQL function, like PHP function. So we can get the data to here. So we need to create one variable, so we can store all the array about the event. Event array is equal to array. Okay, so we can store here like this. We can create an array and we can store here rows. Otherwise you can make like an array push function, so it's possible. Otherwise you can do like this, so it's possible. Okay, now I can do echo JSON encode, and you can pass like event array. Let's refresh now how it looks. So we can check. Now go back again and refresh the page, and I go to response. One error, line number 13. So okay, I have not made a semicolon, this reason. Go back again, refresh. So you can see we are getting the two objects, because we are already there inside database 2 entry, this reason. So we are getting the data about the events. Now we need to show here full calendar. Inside we can do here like a event listing. So let's start now. So you can see it here. One is the SQL query, SQL connection wise we are getting data. This one we can use inside a database connection inside. So you can see it here. Okay, now let's back to index.php files, and we can store our code. So let's copy all the codes like this, and I put inside. Let's make some big pages so we can do easily. Okay, and now it's clear. This is the calendar, means is the calendar ID. Okay, and let's refresh the page so I can show you how it looks. Okay, I refresh the page now. So you can see it here, calendar showing. Also calling the Ajax where we are getting data, and you can see it here calendar, like a full calendar. So we need to remove this like a dummy data. We need to make like our data. So just remove the dummy data here. Like here you can remove the dummy data, like all the events data we can remove. Okay, and we need to create one event array, and after event array inside whatever data we get inside the server side we need to put here. So let's create one variable where events is equal to array. New array means is a JavaScript. This is a new array. Okay, so we are getting the data inside data. Okay, so where result is equal to dollar is data. So we need to run one each loop. So looping wise we are getting data. So this is the looping wise data we can store inside events, and this events we can pass here. This event array we can pass here. So working very well. So let's create one looping and try the dollar dot each result means result. This results function inside I and items. So this is the loop we have created. So all the data means we can push inside event. So event dot push. So first we need to push like the event ID. Result means this result inside I dot ID means which ID? This is the ID. We are getting this ID. So this is the event ID. Okay. Now semicolon means a comma. After you need to start here like a title. Titles here you can do the event name. Event name. Also you can do start and color and link. Okay. So here start. So here start date. Here you can pass like a end date, and here you can change to end. Also you can pass your colors, and here you can pass colors. Also you can pass your links. So here also you can pass link. Here is just showing the event name, title, start, and color link. This is the one type of full calendar attribute, and this is the our database column name, like whatever pass inside JSON. So you can see it here. Okay. So let's refresh the page and check how it looks work, and we can set our real date like the today date. So just you can remove date and date y and d. Okay, let's refresh now how it looks. Show we can check. Refresh the page, so you can see it like inside the 9 we had did like hello and testing, because this the date is showing the 9 to 9. Let's copy and I can make here like 10. Okay, 10. Here also I make 10s, and I also testing welcome, and color whatever do you need to change, this color also see here. So let's refresh the page. I close. So you can see 10 inside, you can see testing welcome. So whatever data there inside database we are getting it dynamically. Now what we need to do, suppose you click in this one like a 11. So we need to open the one pop-up inside. You can add start date, end date, event name, color and links, and after you click on the submit, so we need to save this data here, and after automatically need to show data event name. After you click on the link, so it's going to means after you click on the event name, so you're going to whatever you link add here you can go. So let's show you one by one. Okay, so here is a perfect, no issue now, like full calendar data dynamic setting perfectly. So now we need to found like you are select, this is the column means this is the column means this is the date you are select. So we need to find what date you are selected. Okay, so I can create a one event like a one attribute, select attribute inside. Just need to make a function, and inside you can type date and time. This is the your variable, whatever do you want to like, this variable name you can type here, and here you can make like comma. Do you need to make, so make. Okay, because last one you not make, so it's possible. I make a console log now. Event time. Okay, event time I have console log. So let's refresh. I open the MySQL elements. I choose this ones. Okay, why is not work? Okay, so I need to go networks. So I can choose this one. So you can see it like start 5 and end also 6, because it's working like one device. You see. start 6 and end in 7, so it's only one day. So we need to found here to our date. So this is the object inside, you can see it here, like start there and inside also there, end there. So let me try now, not try, we can do like console log. We need to use a movement.js, like we need to convert to date. This reason I already used movement plugin. Movement inside datetime dot start dot format y and mm and date. Same like you can do it like end. So let's go back again and dates working, not working. So let's go to backs, refresh the page, and I can choose. So you can see date found, start and end date. You can see we have found, like we can choose like a I can choose like this. So you can see 5th to 8. I can show you again like this. You can see it's 3 to 8. Like this is the event time and dates. Okay. So once you can choose, so we need to open the pop-up for this date file. So let's create a one pop-up codes. Like so we need to use a bootstrap. This reason I already add a bootstrap plugin here. You can see it here. Okay, so let's copy one bootstrap file code because I already copied it. So I just paste here. So you can see it like I already created one model, add events. Add event inside I have typed my title and add new event name, start date, end date, color, URL, and here you can see it submit button. And also I have made one form submit event. So let's show this one. Okay, this model we need to show. So here I can type $hash dot model dot show. Let's refresh the page and I click on this dates. So you can see open, and also you can see here color. So you can choose any color do you want to like, and you can click. So here color swing. Here you can add your URL. Here you can add like start date, end date you can add, and here you can add an event name. But we have already selected our date, so just we need to autofill here date, because you can see it here. I can click here, so autofill we need to out here date. So let's go back and you can see it here like a start date and end date. I already created one ID. I already created before form for testing. It's working very well. After I can explain it. Okay, here you can add a start date and end date. So just you can go and just remove this one console log dot well. You can add like a start date, same like you can do it here, end date. Okay, let's refresh the page and data found, not found, we can check. Okay, so go back again, refresh the page. After I click in, so you can see data is gotten, easily gotten. After you need to change date, so you can change it here. Also you can click here, so you can found here. And also you can found the colors, and here you can find the links. Why is the color auto will show? Because the HTML5 is provided color attribute. So just you can type equal color, so you can found. And here you can do is type equal dates, and here you can do is text. So it's date filter found, and here color means plugin found. Here is a date plugin found. Okay, this is the HTML5 provided. Okay, I think now it's clear. So once you click on the submit button, like here, I can go back then. Here you are click on the submit button. So we need to store all the data inside an event table. So let's create for this code. So just copy submit event buttons, and we need to write here our Ajax code. Okay, this is the like get coding dollar body, because we need to make a delegate submit event, because we need to use the submit event, because you can see it here we have provided button name types to submit. This is the submit event. Let's minimize, so it's clear. Submit function e means if we don't want to refresh the page, this reason I use given attributes e dot prevent default. So impossible to refresh our page because we are using the event default. Okay, so now we need to write our Ajax code. So I can show you how to write. So same thing, you just go up and copy this Ajax code like this and put here and close the Ajax. So here the Ajax closed, and here you can pass our data, and here you can change the message like add. So type is equal to post, function is equal to type is equal to add, data type is equal to JSON. Okay, now you need to pass our all the data whatever form you are at. So data inside you can do like a $this above form means the submit event. Okay, dot serialize. So this is the form data we have serialized in a Ajax. Okay, so let's test now. Work not work, but before we can go to inside function.php, because we have called this function.php, we need to copy this one and just create a else. Okay, so let's show you. And here you can change type is equal to add, because now we are passing here get method, type is equal to add. So let's make here $post print $post. Okay, so let's back again, refresh the page, and I need a create in 12. So I add event name like this, and also I can add like a colors like this colors, and here you can see it's okay like this. I go to now networks, I click on the submit. So you can see it like one Ajax calling, and here you can see it like all the data, event name, start date, end date, color, link, everything you can find out. So let's create a one query for the insert. So let's go back again and start the query so we can use a shortcut method, so we don't want to take much time here. So just go to your SQL event table and just need to do like here is insert. So this is the query is ready, just copy, go back, and here you can create $SQL. Inside you can put this query, and other means ID we don't need, just remove it. Okay, and also value inside all thing you can remove it because we need to add our dynamic data. So $post name means event name. So we have passed the event name. So you can see it, go to index.php. Inside you can see it like name is equal to event name. Here the start date, end date, colors, and links means name is equal to link. You can see it here. Start date, end date, colors. Okay. So I will create just add. I just copy paste. I think like colors, so you can put here colors. Here put link. And here put start date. Last one remaining, so you copy and put here. Here you can put end date. Okay. Now just we need to make a if database entry working very well cannot. So let's copy other codes and put here. So you can see it here. Like I did like a database connection. Here you can see is the database connection means config.php inside database connection query is equal to SQL is equal to true. So data is equal to true and event successfully created. We just type like this message. Once event successfully created, so we just need to show message here like back. You can see it here JSON is true. So otherwise due to some error, please try again. And let's go to back again, and we just need to create here alert data dot message, and we need to hide this form. So just copy and put here like here hide, and also we need to make a fresh our data. Just call this function again. Okay, let's refresh the page and check working not working. Okay, let's try this fourth ones. I add like event name like this, whatever hello, and I can choose here like I like this color, so I choose this colors. I made a like link. Okay, I click on the submit. So again event will create. You can see it response proper database connection well. After adds, you can see hello is already there now, fourth, because it's calling the listing. You see, I need to create like 18 to 20. So I just add like a name. I will after I clear the event name. So let's go back again. Just need to make here like clear records, clear form. I always write here clear form. Suppose you can choose here. So here you can do like this, dollar dot clear form dot clear, and okay, I saves, because what I did here is a clear form. I will create one class because already information there, so we need to clear first, and after we need to add a new fresh information. This reason I did clear form is equal to value means null, blank we have passed. So let's fix it again. So let's go to like 12 to 13. Open the pop-up. I type event name like welcome to America. Just you can change your color. I like it like this. I like this colors. I saves, and I also like this links, and I submit. Events will be created, so you can find. You see, welcome to America. I click on this link. So let's see why it's not working, because the link is not saving. Let's back again, check what is the issue. Link. Okay, links to links, results inside link to links. I think I made a mistake. Here you can write like URL. This is the attribute name URL, not a links, because I made a mistake. Let's back again. I refresh, so you can see here. Okay, now working very good. But this is the form not found. This is done. So let's create for this only 3 again. I type like welcome to Goa. Here you can change like this is the events, and color you can choose, and you can choose like not choose black color, like this color you can choose, and you can I will not type any URL, I just submit. So events will be created, so you can see it here event, you click on not going because we have not added a URL. So it's a full calendar automatic adjust. So you can see it, we have make like dynamic data here get here. Also you can choose any dates, like this date you can choose, so you can add here your events like this, whatever you can do here, and you can change your color, background color, whatever do you need, and after whatever you can add like your URL. After clicking on the submit, so events will be created, and also you can find auto refresh all the events, and you click on this one, so it's a redirection, you can see it. So I hope do you want to see proper this video, and I hope you can learn something, and do you want to like this video, so please like, and do you want to see like this more videos, so please subscribe our channel. And I will create for the full calendar one series inside. I will explain everything, what is the draggable, what is the now links, what is the business hour, what is the editables, what is the like work need to local time, with time zone wise need to work. So I will explain everything for a new series. Right now you can just visualize our code, like here you can see it like add new events, and here you can see it like how to create the full calendar with Ajax to get the event name list, and here we can make like a submit. Also we have created like a get function again, so we can get a fresh data. Inside function inside we have made a 2 condition, like a type is equal to list, and one is the add, and here we have made component.php, so database connection. So I hope you can understand everything. Do you have any questions? So please comment. I will always give the answers, and I will create for new series for this one, how to work event proper way, like every functionality about events. I already told you before, means now this is all the functionalities. Right now you can see it here. I just need to move like this. So this event so automatically going to 6. No need to go again 4. This is the all I will create a one series, so I can explain how it's work, how we can do it. This is the things you can see it also here, week 5 found, here you can see it month wise founds. Okay, thank you for watching.